Water is an essential element for the food processing industry. This fact implies that a high volume of wastewater is produced with compounds of interest that are not valorized. The current processes applied to wastewater are focused on its treatment before discharging to the environment instead of reusing the water. It is therefore essential to recover compounds of interest to produce value-added products and preserve water resources following a circular economy approach. Within this framework, a group of European SMEs and RTD performers have promoted Afterlife, a project funded by the European Union's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme. The Afterlife project proposes a flexible, cost and resource-efficient process for recovering and valorizing the relevant fractions from wastewater. The wastewater from the food processing industry goes to a filtration cascade that separates all the solids in the wastewater. In this way, pure water plus compounds of interest are obtained. The water thus obtained of high quality can then be reused. The recovered compounds are processed with green extraction techniques such as enzymatic hydrolysis and resin fractionation as an alternative to the use of hazardous solvents for the extraction of high value-added compounds such as flavonoids and limonoids that can be used in the food or cosmetics industry. The rest of recovered organic matter goes through two processes, the conversion into VFA and the subsequent conversion into PHA, thus producing biopolymer that is the base for the production of bioplastics, which can be used in other industries or in the food industry as packaging material. The VFA not converted into PHA goes into anaerobic digestion for the production of methane, a source of energy to be used in the own process. The different steps of the process have been optimized by the partners in different locations for their subsequent assembling in a prototype located in BBEU facilities in Belgium. Afterlife leads to better recovery rates compared to common technologies by targeting the recovery and valorization of 100% of nutrients and organic matter in wastewater. Moreover, Afterlife promotes the cooperation among the food processing industry, waste management, plastic compounder, and natural additives producers. Afterlife, a substantial positive impact in the progress of wastewater treatment technologies and relevant fractions recovery.